letter sender for today is, let's just call him Mr. I don't know what to do anymore. Hey there Ninja! We are back once again to Dear Ninja, and this is episode 5. But before we start, if you want to be part of the Call Center Ninja community and watch more videos about call center tips and real stories, then please click the red subscribe button down below. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Our letter sender for today is, let's just call him Mr. I don't know what to do anymore. And this is his story. Hi Call Center Ninja. Yes, I am already taking calls now, but I feel like I don't want to be part of the call center industry anymore. I just feel like this is not for me, and I have only been in training for 1 week. I don't know what to do anymore. So that's a very short story or topic, but one that is very significant, because I know that a lot of you out there have probably applied to any call center without the thought of, what's going to happen next. So our letter sender just felt that he does not want to be part of the call center anymore, just 1 week into the call center training. So this is what I can say. First things first, if you have not yet applied for a call center job, or you are still thinking of applying, I have a video about the factors or the questions to consider if you want to apply for a call center job. I will link it up, but you can check it out. It's very important that you ask yourself those questions and really think about what will happen to you when you start applying or working in the call center industry. And that is to avoid this kind of thought from happening. He was just 1 week in call center training, but he felt that he's not for the call center industry anymore. And I understand that. That's really understandable. However, you also have to think of, number one, the reason or the goal, your why. Why are you working in the call center in the first place? Are you just working for yourself because you need a job, you need money to support yourself? Are you working because you are feeding or supporting a family? You are the breadwinner of the family? You have to consider those questions or those things because, well, to be honest, if you are just working for yourself and you're not supporting anyone, I would say that yes, you can jump to the next job that you think is good for you, because I feel like you're just trying to find yourself, you're just trying to find your place in the corporate workplace, or maybe you're not for the corporate world, you're for the creative industry, just like where I am now. Go ahead. However, if you are supporting a family and you're the breadwinner, you have to think of the practical side. And I'm saying this based on experience. There were so many times when I wanted to quit my job and to stop working, but I couldn't because I still did not have enough funds to last until a couple of months, so that when I don't have a job, I can still feed my family, something like that. So practicality wise, you have to have that willingness or the strength inside you that although I don't really feel like working in the call center industry right now and it's hard for me, I still need to do this because I have a family to support. And if you are in that situation, then I suggest to, just give it a couple of months. 1 month, 2 months, until 5 to 6 months. Those months will just pass. When I get hired, I was actually just asked to work for at least 5 months. But 5 months became 5 years and more. And before I knew it, I worked in the call center for almost 7 years of my life. So if you don't really think about it too much, if you don't really think of how long you'd be working in the call center, then you will realize that it's not that bad after all, that you can actually last longer than you think. But if you keep thinking about it every day, it's like, oh my goodness, I will wake up today, I will go to work, I will go to the office even if I don't like it, then you will really have a hard time continuing your call center training. As they say, and I always say this, the only difference between a good and a bad day is your attitude. So it would be best to have the can-do attitude or positive attitude and belief in yourself that you can do it. Because, come to think of it, you are just in the call center training and the call center industry for 1 week. So I think that nothing has really happened that much. You haven't even known your batchmates or your teammates yet. So wait it out first and see what happens. You never know. Maybe that job will even pave the way to the dream job that you have, just like what happened to me. So there, that's what I can say. Think about your why, think about your goal, think about the reason why you're working there in the first place. And that's about it for today. Thank you so much to our letter sender. Again, if you want your story to be featured, if you want to share your story with our viewers and subscribers, just email me hello@callcenterninja.com with the subject line Dear Ninja, or you can also message me on my Facebook page and I'll be glad to share your story with everyone. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe if you haven't yet, and remember, I have videos every Wednesdays and Fridays. So see you again next time. Take care and bye-bye.